Are you ready to permanently delete your Amazon account? Whether you're taking a break from shopping or just want a fresh start, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you don't miss anything. First, open your web browser and head to Amazon.com. Once the site loads, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Enter your registered email and then your password to log in. Now that you're on your Amazon homepage, hover over Accounts and Lists at the top, then click Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find Manage Your Data and Privacy. This is where Amazon lets you control your privacy settings, including closing your account. Click Close your Amazon account. For security, you may need to re-enter your password. Next, select a reason for closing your account. This step helps Amazon improve its services, so pick the option that best fits your situation. Don't forget to tick the acknowledgement checkbox. This confirms you understand that closing your account is permanent and irreversible. Finally, click Close My Account. Amazon will send a confirmation email to your registered address. Open the email and click the link to finalize the process. Once confirmed, your Amazon account will be scheduled for closure. Keep in mind, closing your account means losing access to everything tied to it, including Kindle books, Amazon Prime benefits, and purchase history. Make sure this is the right decision for you. And that's it. You've successfully completed the process to delete your Amazon account safely and securely. If this guide helped, consider subscribing for more quick and clear tech tutorials.